Okay, y'all, before I'm done driving and I'm just moving around too much, why am I? Hold on. Why did I finally figure out how to put? I'm sick of everybody. It's a biker coming out of nowhere. I hate bikers. I'm not gonna lie. I hate when they bike. Like, you need to stay on the sidewalk if you're not gonna be conscious of your awareness. But like I was saying, what was I saying? I figured out how to put Bluetooth on my car. I was gonna say on my phone, but on my car. On my car. Okay, y'all. Now I'm walking to school, but like I was saying, I figured out how to put the Bluetooth on my car, and I've been listening to the radio, and I am so sick of it. So now I get to listen to my songs, so I'm proud of myself. And I got gym this morning, so I can record in gym. Yes. I can't record in gym because my teacher is a butthole. So yes, that's all I have to say. Bye, guys.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dede and Tristan, and we. Oh, you know what I'm saying? I'm official now. Hold up, that's dirty. Dede, I'm official now, so I'm officially Dede. Wait, did you get the key? Oh, sorry. But watch out, pull it. But I'd like it back. But you're gonna check your jacket. Hold up, pick the drip. Pick the drip. Hold up. Yeah, we low battery, but we have to get the phone so I can bring it back to her because she. Well, I hope this is the phone because it's different. But we have to we about to play volleyball, and yeah, I'm just starting the vlog because she forgot it, and he just made that. But yeah, I don't know what I was saying, but at me right here. It might not be right there because I wouldn't feel like adding that either. But it's Davion, D-A-V-I-0, N, 3 N's. Here you go, girl. Here you go, girl. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna play volleyball because Davion don't know how to play. Dede don't know how to play volleyball, so Davion from the record. Dede from the record for y'all. So yeah. Time lapse start.
journey that you're taking us onto this project. The first step is defining beauty for yourself.
Yeah, look at the vlog.
I'm putting it on the 30.
Davion, fix it. Okay, come on.
You doing Jazzy?
Look like an IG model. Walk with a waddle.
How's it going, Jay?
Say hi, Mr. Van.
It's already 12:50, bro.
What do they mean to you? If someone says, wow, that person has humility, or if you say, oh, you're beautiful, what do you mean?
Movie anyway.
You're blunt. I can see it. Yes. It's in a mint, like mint tea seaweed.
That is disgusting.
No. Dang. We're still in school, but I got my senior jacket. And they got the tech run for a curtain call. Can I show them my drink? Sure. That was good, Hannah.
Hannah, I'm going to suggest that you put ice. Do ice for 10 minutes. No, let's start. Ice for 20, and then heat for 20, then ice for 10, heat for 10, and then just heat. Then ice 5 and heat the rest of the night. You should go to sleep with heat.
You want to get in my vlog?
Huh? What about your vlog?
This is my vlog.
Oh, why is she on the blog? Why am I on her? Lord, looking like this on the blog?
Did you put your glasses on?
Looking like this on the blog.
Davion. Come on.
No, we're going to
The auditorium?
Yeah. He tired.
Yeah, the vlog never seen me with no energy. Catch y'all in the next clip.